Governor Alex Otti and NNPC, they are on a mission to restore sight to 1,000 people in Abia State. Mind you, this is a program that was initiated by NNPC all over the country, and now they are in Abia State. But Governor Alex Otti and his administration, they are actively involved. They say they want to partner. They say this is something that he also wants for the people of Abia State. When it comes to the area of healthcare, Governor Alex Otti's administration does not play with it. So they are happy to have NNPC in the state, and they are actively involved to make sure that about 1,000 people in Abia State, they carry out cataract surgery on them to see that they restore their sight. And Governor Alex Otti have also strongly advised against quack eye treatment. He has called on all the people of Abia State. This is an opportunity for you to take care of your eye. He has strongly advised you going to quack doctors. All these people that are going around, especially in the villages, on market days, you see them come with their polythene bag. Some of them are selling powders. When you rub it on your face, the eye will clear by the time you are sleeping. So Governor Alex Otti is strongly advising against all those things, that it will cause more damage to your eye. So you can talk to your parents, talk to your people in the village. They should stop patronizing those people. Imagine that kind of quack eye treatment for your people. This is an opportunity for them to take care of their eye. And this sensitization has been going on since Monday. The governor makes sure that it got to all the communities in the 17 local government of Abia State, because he doesn't want anybody to be excluded. And this surgery will be happening at Abia State Specialist Hospital, Umuahia, Madonna Catholic Church, Umuahia, and the State General Hospital, Aba. These are three places that they will be conducting these surgeries in Abia State. And Governor Alex Otti is more than happy to have them. Because a lot of people that goes blind, they say about 43% of people that eventually goes blind is as a result of cataract. And this exercise they are doing now, this surgery they are doing now, is majorly on cataract, to make sure that people are able to use their eye again. This is a free medical eye care that have come to Abia State, and Governor Alex Otti wants to make sure that the people of his state are fully involved. He wants every Abia to take part of this opportunity. Let me also bring you another important story. On the 4th of April 2025, 2 Chinese miners were killed at Uturu in Isukwato local government of Abia State. The police have also confirmed this. Alongside one of their security officers, a policeman was killed. So they were going to their site and they were ambushed by these men that just came out of nowhere. And this was around 5:30 p.m. So unfortunately, these 2 Chinese people lost their life alongside that security officer. But based on investigation right now, it is showing that they were actually trailed down from Ebonyi State. And if you come from Isukwato, you know that Utru is almost in the boundary between Abia State and Ebonyi State. You don't need to go very far for you to enter Ebonyi State once you're in Utru. So this investigation is also showing that this murder may not have been caused by anybody in Abia State, but was actually coming from Ebonyi State. But this have not been, verified. It has not reached the final, investigations, because investigation is also still going on, because the governor said that they want to make sure that these people were apprehended. And the governor is determined to go down deep. They say they will do everything possible to make sure that these people are apprehended. The governor solely condemned this killing. And based on investigation showing that it was trailed down from Ebonyi State, they are also going into deeper investigation, because Uturu, where these people were killed, is part of Abia State. So the governor said that he definitely condemned this kind of killing, and he also sympathized with the family of the dead. Also, ex-Governor T.A. Orji have called on the media, demanding an apology, that he was accused of fraud when he was the governor of Abia State. That what was published on the newspapers earlier this year concerning him linked to a company that was called IFD Nigeria Limited was just an allegation that was baseless, just to tarnish his image. That while he was the governor of Abia State, he was never involved in any kind of fraud. He said he wants the story to be retracted, and also from all the social media pages, that this was just a mission to taint his name, that he has nothing to do with fraud in Abia State. But I was very surprised that he was only addressing that of IFD Nigeria Limited. There was also another allegation, another case that was filed against him by EFCC on the February 2025, because this is two case coming against him, two allegations coming against him concerning fraud when he was the governor of Abia State. Well, he's majorly calling on the media that they should stop tainting his name. That while he was the governor of Abia State, he was not involved in any kind of fraud. He was a governor for 8 years and he did his duties for 8 years. That he never mistreated Abia State Fund and his name should not be attached to it. That this is just a way that people wanted to tarnish his image in something that he has nothing to do with. Also, the Abia State government have published over 7,000 newly employed public school teachers in Abia State. Honestly, God bless Governor Alex Otti. You know, initially what he wanted to employ was just 2,500 teachers. And why did he even want to employ these teachers? Because he gave free education in Abia State public schools. So as a result of this, students started turning on to public schools in Abia State and teachers started complaining that their classroom is now overfilled, that they cannot handle it. They need more teachers, they need assistants. And that's why Governor Alex Otti decided to employ 2,500 teachers. And when he opened the portal for people to apply, thousands of Abians applied for this job. And the governor was moved. He increased the slot from 2,500, he made it 5,000. And now he's publishing 7,000 plus. Because he doesn't know what to do with these people. He's looking for a way to reduce unemployment in Abia State. He doesn't even know that a lot of people, this rate of people are looking for employment in Abia State. So he has to engage over 7,000 people. Can you imagine that? From 2,500 to 7,000 people. That's extra expenses coming from the government. Paying extra salary to all these teachers, but the governor does not care. And this is a government that does not even owe. On or before the 28th of every month, every worker in Abia State received their salary. And now he decided to engage more people, to pay more people. Is that not expenses from the government? But Governor Alex Otti did not care. How did we come here? How did we get to this? From a government that was not paying workers to a government that was paying workers and were ready to engage more Abia to make sure that they reduce unemployment in the states, to just make sure that people have, a source of income in the states. Honestly, at this point, what I can say is God bless Governor Alex Otti. If you're a lover of Abia State and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button right now and you never miss anything that is going on in Abia State.